Today is unboxing vintage custom jewelry I bought with you guys while I show you how I shop on the shop Goodwill for vintage and thrifted jewelry. So I will be recording and we're opening. This box cost me around $150. So let's try to see what is inside this. Look at this. It's very heavy. The box was big, but this one is small but heavy. Let's just open it and see what is inside. And let's go. We'll try to do it very fast, 18-20 minutes, because my time and your time are valuable. Okay, let's go. So I do like different kinds of chains, and chain very sellable in my store. So the first one is designer signed. It's a Monet paper clip style, a big one, long, very shine, and pretty awesome. For me, it's pretty awesome. That's one, the first. Let's try to figure out how to do it nice. Next one, I saw this one too. I think it's probably will be on the entire collection of Monet. Again, Monet. It's beautiful. So remember, $150. I need to find and make $150 as fast as it's possible. Actually, even this one, if we count $50 each one, it's not bad. Next one is the... Oh, look at this one. It's also Monet. But look, the green one. Oh, look at this one. It's the green, some sort of shell. So adorable. And the base is not the string. This one is the old one. The base one, take a look. The base is the chain. Thin chain, so it's long lasting. This also can be $50 on sale. Oh, beautiful. Next one is we're going for the necklaces. Yes, let's find the necklace. This one is a little tangle, multi-layered, several chains. It'll be also, I didn't put my, I believe it's also Monet. So all designer signed. Yep, that's also Monet. All beautiful, designer signed. In a very good condition. Now, when I got the lot, I also work with the tarot cards. And I asked the cards how fast I can move this lot. And they said pretty fast. Pretty fast. So that was my buying point. Look at this, beautiful. Look at this adorable, multi-layered. My sound sounds like I'm sick, and yes, I'm sick. So 1, 2, 3, 4 necklaces. Let's look for this guy. Ooh. I wonder, because I did have the earrings like this. This one's something interesting. Maybe it's also Monet. I looked with my magnifying glass, and that's Napier. But look, it's like a tube. I haven't seen this kind of. It's the first time in my experience when I got extra light. When I got this one necklace. Look at this one. It does look like it's very heavy, but because of the tubes, I bet they open. It's very interesting on the back. Look at this one. Very interesting. Here is the necklace number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at this beauty. Going to the next one. That's the chain. That's the chain. We're going to find out if it's signed. Yep, it's signed too. And that, I think it's Napier too. No, it's also Manet. Manet. Very heavy, very bold one. No, I think I did a great job taking this lot. Like, let's go to the plain snake. Plain snake. Also Manet. Also Manet. The beautiful and the best part of the vintage jewelry, if they survive, like I always tell, if they survive from 1970 and they still look like brand new, shining, right? They will be lasting another 20 years. It's not that when you're buying from the Timu or some other places and within first dump into the pool, your jewelry becomes yucky. Or the first time you're sweating and you're wearing some costume jewelry, fashion jewelry they call it, that becomes all done and thank you. Okay, look at this one. Next one, this guy. Is it Napier or Manet? It's Napier. I know because this one I sold. I had a collar of this style and I sold it pretty fast in my store. But it's the bracelet. Cute and adorable. We're doing very fast. Look at this. That's Manet as well too. Beautiful. Simple and beautiful. Okay, round earrings. Let's see what is this one. Two the same. Blink. Oh, okay, it's the set. Look at this one. Do you see the green? Beautiful. That's just bump it up the price higher because we do have a set. Look at this one. It's probably the May months with the emerald green shell style. That's my favorite one. Ooh, ooh. That's my favorite for now. I don't think they've got the signature on the earrings. Oh no, as usually Manette put the signature just on top of this. Next one. These guys I sold before. Yes, I think it's entire lot. Manet and Napier. This one I might even have in my collection. There's two cute earrings. It's studs. Let me try to see if I focus. That's and every crystals. I like how one of the resellers tell every crystal is at home. Nothing is missing. Beautiful. Next one, let's do this teardrop. Ooh, teardrop. It's like a wedding collection. Look. Beautiful. Again, all crystals at home. And it's their sign. But I think this one is the more newer. Oh no, it's not here. It's not here. So far so good. I'm pretty happy with this lot. No junk. I will tell no junk in the lot. Yes, it's not at $30. It's not at $50. It's a 125 plus tax 150, but everything is perfect. Let's get the extra light. Next one is that little button style, but it's also magnet. Look at this. You are oh good. It's like the black dome earrings. Clip-ons. Cutie. Little cutie. Next one. I'll put you here. Ooh, look at this one. Look at this turtle. Also all crystals in a place. Let me see the mark. I'm not sure. Napier? No. No, it's Manet. But the old one, I don't remember seeing in the fresh one. This marking. That's a cute green sea turtle, I think. Sign. Okay, next one. Let's do that pearl necklace. Who are you? It's Napier. All the costume jewelry is very cute. I wonder. The base is, oh, the base is also metal. I like when the base is metal. It just give it more. Let me focus. See, can you see, Chick? See, it's not a string. It's a metal wire. But the plastic pearls. Not the glass, but the plastic one. Very lightweight. We got just a little left. Let's see these guys. Two little buttons, and they probably also will be, yeah, also money. So far so good, entire lot. Now I'll be just cleaning it. Do I clean with the crystals? Not all the time. I'm just looking. Maybe it's like brushed it off. Sometimes if they were laying for a long time, they do have a little something. So the little brush is working good for me. Looking for the next one is the hoop earrings. Look at this one. Who are you? You are also, yep, Manet. Look at this one. Clip on disco style. That's definitely disco style. And they're pretty heavy. Pretty heavy. Disco style. Look at us turn it. Look at this one. Beautiful. Amazing. Okay, next one we'll see the bracelet with the security one. Yep, I sold it once in my resale history. It's Monet again. I do have nails and this not always easy to attach. It's like a little bow, cat's eye. No, it's like a bow or the mask. Look at this one. Ooh, carnival mask. Elements. Who see what? Next one is, and this one I also was selling it quite a lot. Money, but in a gold tone. So two silver just came jumped into the lot. There we go. That's the silver, but it's also money. Couple silver. Little pierced wide hoops. Also, there is the time when I'm selling them pretty fast. Look at this one. Where's the focus? Where's the focus? There we go. And this one is also sign. Design sign. The signature right here. My name. Pierced. And the last one, little little button earrings, round dots, clips. That's it. And look at this beautiful stuff. Beautiful. That was the very fast going through the new box of the jewelry we bought online with you. Now just my job is to clean it and in a short period of time to post it online. Thank you again for watching. Today I decided to record it and not to go live with this.